Hi, hey, this is Hans, and this is
Mimi.
And it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where we show you what comes in the mail. And today we got something from
Digital Eats.
Yeah, this is from digitaleats.co. I found out about them from somebody on Instagram, and they do shirts and stuff like that. And I was going to show you what one of them looks like. It's a ramen themed and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. And if you want to go to digitaleats.co, you can use the coupon code The Ramen Raider and get a discount. So, should we open it up?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's do it. Ooh. Well, cool. They sent a sweatshirt. Let's try it on. And it fits. This is pretty cool. It's got a cup noodle here that's embroidered, and that's pretty neat. Looks like it's got some Naruto and some, I don't know what everything is in here. It's kind of hard to see from here, but this is pretty snazzy. I want to thank the folks over at digitaleats.co for sending this over. I haven't had a sweatshirt in, God, I can't remember, but this is going to be comfy for the winter. So thank you. Go ahead and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider and get yourself a discount. This kind of stuff would be great for a holiday gift. This has been Hans, and this has been
Mimi.
Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Each and every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.
Oh, you got to wave at them. Have a good one.
Bye.